Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today, I'm going to give y'all a little 2-week update on these passion twists because I am about to take them out. So I want to give y'all an update on this hair and won't ya. And if y'all want to see how I installed it, I will list that below. So first, I'm going to just talk about it a little bit. So I actually think it still looks good. I think it still looks good despite me having a braid back here with nothing on it. I think it really still looks nice, but I think it looks good. It could last a little longer, but I'm about to take it out because I'm doing some, hopefully, I'm doing some braids. Don't know how they're gonna turn out, but I'm definitely gonna try feed in braids. Me as a person, I never really keep my hair in long anyways. I was supposed to keep these in for at least a month, but it did not work out for me. So it looks good just looking at it. I haven't really been doing anything to it but tying it up. Like literally that's it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show y'all how to maintain it if you want to leave this hair in longer, because I do feel that it is some good hair to do passion twist with. And to me, the older they get, the better they look. But as you can see, like any crochet hair, it does get frizzy. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it does get frizzy. And I'm just going to show y'all how to get rid of the frizz just in case you want to wear this longer. I'm going to show y'all how to maintain it if you want to wear it longer, because y'all, it's cute. But for the frizz, I would say if it gets knots like this, just cut the knots out. Like, you gotta remember this is like crochet hair, so. And I'm trying to debate if I should save these or. No, I think I'm just gonna cut them out because I just want them out. So yeah, what you do is just cut the parts that's not. Cut the parts that you don't like, the frizziness. Just cut it. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. And then after you cut it, I would say put some mousse on it or some Lotta Body. Let me get my little. Oh, here go my Lotta Body. So what I would say is get some mousse or some Lotta Body and just put it on the braids like this. And do you see how good that look? Girl, I might keep these in. Look, by just putting some mousse on it. I haven't put mousse on it in forever. Do you see how good that looks? How much better the Lotta Body did to it? Like, this is what I didn't put any on. This is what I did. So all in all, this is some really good passion twist hair. I really like it. I definitely like it better than the I did a passion twist tutorial before, but it was like color. Like I think it was like a 1B30 or something like that. But I definitely like the black better than the 1B30 or whatever. But I'm really sitting here thinking, do I want to take these out? Cause girl, that Lotta Body did a lot to it. Let me see. But ooh. So once you cut all the frizz out, and even if you don't want to cut the frizz out, just put some Lotta Body on it or some mousse, tie it down, and girl, you good. Look at that. Versus super cute. But I am gonna take it out because I'm just gonna give my hair a little break. Let me flip it back that way. That was ugly. Because I do need to give my hair a little break before I do these braids that I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna take it out. So all I'm gonna do is cut right here at the root, and just like that. And I'm gonna pull like that. And that's super easy. So cut at the root. So basically you're cutting the knot, not your hair. Once you cut that, Boom, boom. Everything's gonna unravel like that. And so I'm gonna go ahead and, do y'all want me to do a takedown? I don't know if I should. I guess this is kind of like a how I would do the takedown. Just cut the root, and you see how easy it's coming out. You see my hair. Got a little new growth going on here. Video in. But anyways, y'all, I do appreciate you guys watching and subscribing to my channel. What else? I think that's about it, y'all. I really do think that's about it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Let me know what styles, what wigs, whatever y'all want me to review. I haven't done a bob in a very long time. So I've been thinking about doing a bob probably when I take the braids out. When I take the braids out, I'll probably do like a bob or something. But for now, I'm just gonna finish taking these out, and yeah, I'll talk to y'all later.